James Webb Space Telescope continues to provide an innovative understanding of the evolution of the universe. This $10 billion observatory has recently reached an important milestone by capturing the most detailed image of Proxima B, located in the nearest star neighbor, Proxima Centauri. Long questions are surrounded by this distant world. Can you support life? Let's take a look at the latest revelation of the telescope James Webb. James Webb Space Telescope, which began on December 18, 2021, is the most powerful and high-end space telescope when it is produced. Webb, a joint project for NASA, European and Canadian space countries, is designed to study the universe of infrared waves, ensuring unprecedented clarity and sensitivity. The telescope with a 6.5-meter primary mirror is located at the second point of Lagrange, L2, allowing you to observe the space with minimal intervention in the Earth. As we know, astronomers have been particularly interested in planets such as Proxima B, found in 2016 after having the highest opportunity to appear in the residential area. The red stars of the Proxima B orbiter Proxima Centauri dwarf takes less than 4 years in our solar system. Location in the area where liquid water can be a key goal of observation due to conditions. Proxima B, often called the cousin of the Earth, raises interesting opportunities. Can you include a wide range of sea and a variety of lives? In addition to conspiracy, Proxima Centauri B is not alone in orbit. He shares his system with Proxima Centauri C, super-Earth and probably not yet found. Proxima B is very reminiscent of the size of the Earth, with a mass with about 1.17 global mass. He completes the track around the star in just 11.2 days and contrasts with the annual trip around the Earth around the Sun. However, since the Proxima Centauri is much smaller and cooler than our Sun, the residential area is located in the same way and can enter Proxima B. Despite his stars, Proxima B receives solar energy similar to the Earth in the Sun and increases the possibility of liquid water and perhaps life. Proxima Centauri is part of the triple-star Alpha Centauri system and consists of 3: Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and Proxima Centaurus, also called Alpha Centaurus C. Proxima Centauri is different from being the closest star in the solar system, located only in 4.24 light-years. The Scotland astronomer Robert Oughton Innes, discovered in 1915, remains in the naked eye from the obvious value of 11.13. Nevertheless, these are the red dwarfs of the stars, like one of the most effective energy producers in the universe. Nevertheless, the possibility of living in the red star of the dwarf's red star remains the subject of debate. Proxima Centauri is a flare star. In other words, frequent and unpredictable radiation occurs. As a result, Proxima B can bomb the UV radiation hundreds of more times more than Earth to destroy the necessary atmospheric molecules. Even if the Earth is in the right distance from his star, you still need the right atmospheric conditions to support life. Without a stable atmosphere, the life of Proxima B will be rarely possible. This is because the weather in the extreme universe allows the surface to maintain an unmanned state. Despite these problems, astronomers still hope to reveal more details about Classroom B. The cosmic telescope James Webb has removed the image of the alien planet at high resolution to find out fusing features, the unprecedented details of the superficial features, atmospheric and general composition. Luxury WebBA tools, including adjacent infrared cameras and MIRI, middle infrared, tools, allow scientists to see space dust clouds and study the distant heavenly body clearly. Recently, the open image of Proxima B is scientifically important. This is because researchers can study important factors of climate when they analyze the atmosphere of the Earth, identify potential biomarkers, and evaluate housing potential. Before the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists had limited knowledge of the characteristics of the magnetic fields nearby. Thanks to the recent studies using Webb, we now understand the sunny winds of Proxima Centauri and the terrible situation of Proxima B. Studies have shown that the Earth receives almost 1,000 times more of the appearance of the solar wind. In April 2021, Proxima Centauri is 100 times more powerful than photovoltaic vocalization during registration. Without a professional shelter, it is difficult to imagine life. The idea of the planet around Proxima Centauri is exciting, but the reality looks much less kind. Nevertheless, the curiosity of humanity about alien life is still strong. At the end of 2020, astronomers discovered strange signals in the Alpha Centauri system and enhanced the potential artificial origin with the unusual frequency of 982.551 MHz. Can this signal be evidence of alien intelligence? Innovative projects are currently studying how to reduce interstellation time for thousands and decades. The current technology faces serious problems when accelerating objects near the speed of light, but the Starshot project explores the possibility of promoting a spaceship toward Alpha Centauri using a laser. Nevertheless, the Earth's atmosphere is difficult to distort laser beams and maintain accuracy at a distance. To solve this problem, scientists use a small satellite laser to evaluate atmospheric interference in real time. In order for Starshot mission to succeed, a large amount of energy of 100 gigabarts is required, which is the same as the total use of electricity in the United States. Fortunately, the laser should only work with complete energy for 10 minutes. The plan includes a 100 million laser placement in the area of 1 square kilometer to promote the spaceship. After the start, the craft progresses at a speed of 20% of the light speed, reaching Alpha Centauri after 22 years. Nevertheless, this can be quite slow as a result of the gravity of the Sun and interstellar garbage. Even if he successfully reaches Alpha Centaurus, it will take 4 more years for the signal of the spaceship to reach the ground. The most interesting aspect of this project is that after the launch system is established, the probability of detecting more than the Earth by transmitting additional probes at a relatively low cost is greatly increased. If there is humanity when the LIBA reaches the Centaur's deputy, the entire system can be used for reconnaissance. How many planets are similar to us? The universe is full of alien planets waiting for detection. The description is very different in size and configuration, some of which are huge gas giants, and some other parts are divided into functions. Among them, astronomers are especially interested in supertopics, planets, Jupiter and Saturn, but are similar. The first discovery of the planet, which rotates with a neutron star, occurred in 1992, and the first planet that was rotated by sunlight in 1995 was confirmed. Since then, many alien planets have been found, including the Kepler Space Observatory and the Ground Telescope. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson recently said that this discovery has been expressed as a new era of science, providing fresh views on the universe and causing excitement among scientists around the world. In accordance with each new conclusion, James Webb Space Telescope continues to add parts to the huge mystery of our history. We perform a breathtaking image of stars, galaxies, and space dust to broaden our understanding of the universe. Proxima Centauri B, the nearest alien planet, raises a fascinating question about the residents outside the Earth. This discovery is an important step in finding life outside the solar system.